If you're looking for a fun activity to do outside with your kids this summer, check out this really nice chipping golf game mat that I picked up off Amazon. This thing is really well made. It comes with two different types of fabric material in the PVC piping. This is super easy to put together. I really like the two different games that they have here. The first game uses a soft golf ball that you try and chip into the hole. And the second game is really fun too, especially for the younger ones. The golf balls for this game are Velcro, so they easily stick to the mat, making it a fun game, being able to count up all the points at the end. I really like the adjustability of this golf set. The clubs are fully adjustable, so you can extend them out or bring them back in to get that customized length for your little one. It does come with two sets of golf club heads, and these things easily attach by screwing them on the bottom of the golf club, and they are really nice and secure. These things are very well made. It also does come with some stakes for the frame. It also does come with some chipping greens. You also get a really nice scorecard with a erasable marker, and you get two holding pouches, one for each type of golf ball, and you also get the carrying bag. So if you're looking to introduce your little ones into golfing, this is a great little set to pick up. It's fully customizable, easy to use, and so entertaining to play with. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.